Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen today. Well, I'm gonna marinate one of the largest portion of curry chicken in the whole entire world, universe, from Chef Ricardo. It seems weird, but it's amazing. If you want me to cook it, please leave your comments below and I will definitely cook it for you guys. Anyway, stay tuned, don't go anywhere, share and subscribe and tell your friend about Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much. Nice and lovely, welcome back in the kitchen. I did it before and again, did it again and again and again. How to marinate the largest portion of chicken in the world from Chef Ricardo. Yes, the largest portion of curry chicken in the world from Chef Ricardo. Look at this. Look at this. This is roughly about 7 ounces of chicken cut up into small curry pieces, washed off with lemon or vinegar. And look at this. This is a big portion of curry chicken. But I said this can cook for up to about almost 20 people. The biggest large portion of curry chicken in the world. The beauty is I'm gonna show you how to marinate it. When you're going to marinate the largest portion of chicken in the world, you need to get some of Chef Ricardo natural blending season. This one works miracle in your kitchen for your meat, your fish, your lamb, you name it. Okay? So to use curry chicken, I'm going to use some mild curry powder, and I'm going to put on some mild curry powder at the moment. I will tell you how much I'm going to put on because I'm not measuring at the moment. As you can see, I'm probably putting off roughly about 4 large spoons of this one, or 4 to 5 large spoons of this one right here. Alright? Then we're going to put on some all-purpose season. Not too much of the all-purpose season, just a little bit of the all-purpose season. Roughly about 3 tablespoons of the all-purpose season. A little bit of coarse pepper. Yes! Then we're going to get the bad boy. They never know that song, bad boy, bad boy. What you gonna do when they come for you? So, we're not singing today, we're just talking. 1 white onion, cut it up very small. Straight in it. Yeah? Spring onion. 2 spring onion. Cut it up very small. Straight in it. Don't play with it. Get it straight in it. Your favorite. 2 cloves of garlic. Straight in it. Mixed herb. 1 tablespoon. Chef Ricardo natural blending season. We need to get this in the supermarket. Look. 1, 2, 3. That's the way it works. That season works miracle in the kitchen. Right? The next, a little bit of olive oil. Not too much. Make sure you got on the gloves right here. And all you need to do, look. The largest portion of curry chicken in the world from Chef Ricardo. How to marinate the largest portion of curry chicken in the world. Anyone never did something like this before? So you're cooking for a function, birthday party, christening, everything. Put it in cook for your birthday party like tonight. And you want to marinate or tomorrow night. You want to get the meat marinated up. This is where it comes in really handy from Chef Ricardo. Alright guys? So, please bear with me. Put some mild curry powder upon it. Roughly about 3 more tablespoons, alright? Look at that. You never see anything look like so nice like this. That's why they say Jamaican food is the most sexiest food on the planet. Look at this. Jamaican style of curry. Curry goat guys. This curry chicken is really amazing. Rub in it. Rub it up. You know when I rub up something, yes, and marinate it up, this is it right here. The largest portion of curry chicken in the world. How that look? Tell me. You tell me how this look. This look lovely and nice. Alright? So when you marinate it like this, all you need to do, if you have a big fridge, just wrap it tight and put it in the fridge and cook it the next day. If you don't have a fridge, put it in a bag and put it in the fridge, okay? And get it soaked and ready for the next day. But look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. Let's put a little bit more of Chef Ricardo natural blending season on it. Because this is it. This season is the boss. That's what's gonna give it the flavor. If you notice, I didn't put a lot of those artificial season on it. I've been using a lot of the natural blending season because that's what's gonna give it the flavor. Alright? Nice one. Nice one. Look at that. So all you need to do is just get this soak. I want the fans them to recognize what I'm going on. A lot of people might have said me talking too much in the video, but most of my fans them, they love this like this because they want to see step by step. Especially some of my American friends them, and the Japanese them, and the Chinese them, and the English them, and the Syrian, and all over the world. You got a friend right now in Dubai, love to watch my cooking. And they like it this way, what I'm doing. So, as you can see, this is the best way. Marinate it like this, seal it tight, and put it in the fridge for 24 hours. If you want me to cook the largest portion of curry chicken in the world, write it below and I will cook it to show you. Okay? Enjoy the recipe.